Hello and welcome to the Office Superheroes channel. My name is Nicholas, and today in this short video tutorial, we're going to show you together how to easily create a drop-down list in Excel. Are you curious? So let's waste no more time and let's get to it. Thanks to these steps that we're going to show you, you'll be able to create a list with any data you want. So let's go ahead and demonstrate. First, we'll select the cells in which we want to have the drop-down list. We'll select this entire section. We'll go to the Data, which we'll find on the top bar. We click on Data Validation. This will expand several options. We select the first option, Data Validation. Now the window has opened. Under Allow, expand the menu and select List. Go to the Source icon and we can specify the items we want to have in the drop-down list. Note that all words must be separated by a comma. We enter the items email, call, meeting. When we have everything filled in, we click on OK. Great. We have the drop-down lists ready and we can try them out. We click on the cell. We will see a drop-down arrow on the right side of the cell. Click on the arrow. We have just been shown the list we were entering. Now we can choose any option we want. The cell is now filled. It's working well. It was easy, wasn't it? Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you. If it did, let us know via a comment or like. Would you like to see more videos on how to learn how to use Excel quickly and really easily? If so, be sure to subscribe. That's all from me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes and I hope to see you in the next video.